Hello everybody, and today, Splatoon 2. So, I'll be doing League today with, yeah, that's on for once, with Hermit Crab 2 and Big Beak. I'll be starting with Hermit Crab 2 first.
You should add Cape Her to any team, and all of a sudden it just becomes super versatile.
Yeah, honestly.
The gun's just so good.
It's the best generalized weapon in the game.
Yeah.
There are weapons that do better jobs at their tasks than a Splattershot Pro. But it's the best.
Generalist.
Yeah, it is. Hey, Beak.
What's up?
Yeah, it's definitely the best generalized. 123 minutes of lectures. I'm pretty sure I have that in Transport 2 as well.
Yeah, it was supposed to be spread out for this week, but we had an exam as well.
Rip.
They just really didn't like us.
So do y'all have like lectures in person still, or not in person, but like in Zoom meetings, or and have videos to watch, or is it just the videos?
Just the videos.
See, we have both. That sucks. Crap.
Oh, they've got a Hydra. That's not good.
We're good. Okay. Ah, dude.
Wow.
The H3 is in the middle.
He's max quick respawn and stealth jump.
Dang. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna grab it and go right.
Alright.
Oh, no, hard left. No, dude, if he hadn't caught me, I was so free. Ah, man. Someone pick it up and run. Yeah, just run. Run. Y'all have it so free. Oh, no, go up the... Ah, dude, the wall behind you. That would have been so free. Alright, where are they? Okay, one mid. Where's the other two? Two left. Coming up behind us. Yep, they're right here. Got them. Okay, there's like three. There's three over here. Yeah, I'm fighting off a ton. Ah! I'm dead. Y'all got it on the right. Just push right. Go fast. I'm just gonna jump to y'all. Good job. Go, I'm gonna catch up to you. Up here. Ah, dang it, I tried to get over there to help. Oh well. Here, alright. Ah, dang it. Ooh, good job, dang, yeah, just in time.
There's another one right here.
Good job with the trash ray.
Oh, yeah, the trash ray. Oh, they're super jumping in.
I just grabbed it to pop shield.
I got one of them. Oh no.
Oh gosh, I thought that would go in more in our favor. No.
Wait, what's he doing?
Dude. Okay.
They're all dead. Grab it and run.
Alright, I'm running. I'm following you, Beak. Follow Beak. Okay. Oh, you're not clear. Okay. Okay, got a direct. Ah, dang it.
Never mind, they're all annoying.
Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna grab Beak, push.
I got some ink armor. I'm gonna go to the right. Actually, never mind.
Ah, dang. Okay, that's fair. 50's good. 50's a good lead. Okay, I'm gonna get behind y'all and start setting up some mist. As soon as I spawn.
The blobber's on the right behind us now.
Okay. Oh, look at that. The triple slay. Let's go. Okay, go. Yeah, stomp, go. You got this. Go, stomp. Ah, dude.
Dude, we should stop calling it the trash ray and call it trash down.
Trash down.
Ugh.
Oh, the double splashdown kill. Let's go. Nice. Okay, okay, yeah, we got a slay. Go, 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 go. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Clear the way. Ah, dude.
Ah.
That was so close. Whew.
Jump to me.
Ah, dude.
Oh,
There's a
no,
slosher
you're
behind
the
us. Slosher behind.
Doesn't matter.
Hey.
Oh,
You got it.
oh,
Alright, that went way better. Cool.
they were using all buckets.
Not a balanced comp, but that did work a lot better overall. Nice. Alright. Okay, 2 up top, 2 left.
Blaster's on
And yeah, blaster's on the right. Okay, they have a strong left side.
Okay, we can go. I got ink armor. I used it.
Okay, I'm gonna push from the right. I'm gonna use the ink rail.
I distracted them on the left.
Okay, go. Set up the ink rail. Guard the ink rail.
Oh gosh.
Okay, we're good. We're good. Ah, dang. I almost got off the wall. Okay, that was good. That was good. There's like 3 right on top of us, so just, yeah. You can see them all from here.
I'm just gonna torpedo spam.
Yeah, just play it safe. That killed.
I got 3 kills right in a row with torpedoes.
Nice.
I like hit them all with the burst bomb.
Alright, I'm gonna go far left.
Alright, well, I'm creating a path.
Oh, well, it's on. Oh, it's on right side.
No,
Right
crap.
there.
I'm trying to get them.
Oh, man,
Okay.
you guys.
Good triple slay. Pick it up and keep going.
I'm going. I'm going. No, I can get it.
No!
It's behind you. Oh, gosh.
I hate that weapon. It's might be my most hated weapon in the game.
The rapid blaster.
Dude, the rapid blaster specifically with baller.
Try to go
Alright, I
left
see the
if
ink
you
rail. I'm
can.
going for the ink rail.
It's not
I
safe.
slipped past him.
Oh, he
I'm
jumped
going.
off the
I'm
map.
going. I'm going.
Okay, you're good, you're good. I'm slaying behind you.
Nice.
Alright, got missiles coming up your way. Just go. Go, my friend.
I got to 17. I got to 17.
Alright, I'm gonna stay back to jump.
Nice.
You can jump to me.
Alright. Alright, I'm jumping right now.
Alright.
Just
I'll
no
be all
come to
dead.
me.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm going. Okay, go, 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 go. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
There you go.
Good, good teamwork. Go, team, go. Callouts help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got ink
Well,
rail.
Snob's going.
Well, I'm trying to make a path. Nice. I don't think you got anybody. I'm going up on the right on the ink rail.
Dude. Okay. Well, that just happens sometimes. I call it an open board, like in chess, but like it's just where no one's really in a locked position, and things like that run just happen. Kind of fun.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. I got a triple slay. Oh crap, I just screwed that up. Alright, Beick, I'm following you.
Not a good idea anymore.
Well, guess what? It's the only idea I got. Hey,
dead.
it baited him into the triple splashdown though.
Alright, I'm getting it.
Oh, team wipe. Let's go.
Hey, go, 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 go. Somebody, please. Go.
Beick, you got this. Yeah. My auto
Saw
bomb.
them. Oh, no.
Go, go, go.
Please.
I got him. No, dude.
There's one left. There's one left. Yes,
I got him.
Go. I'm trying.
I got it. Let's
Yes,
go.
Let's go.
Let's go. I got it. Woo. That was good.
As soon as I super jump, there's just a suction bomb right next to me.
Whatever works. Yeah, I mean, super jumping on a push like that is super hard to do.
Yeah, I know.
Because everyone sees you. Dang, that's high. For
Wait,
how
seriously?
he did.
How?
Yeah. I don't know how.
Dude,
Hold
that was possibly one of the worst we've ever done.
on.
Yeah, that
might have
was
been
pretty
the-
bad. Oh, they're behind us.
Crap, they're gonna get. Oh god.
Can't catch him.
Stop him.
Alright.
47. That's.
We'll
At least
live.
it's not like
We'll live.
41. If they get above 41, then that's bad. 47's alright.
Let's see. Let's push right. Holy crap. That was a lot more congested than I thought it was gonna be.
There was like a million people there. Oh, he's got bomb rush. I'm probably dead.
Hey, way to go.
Never mind. Oh. I almost got them.
You slowed him down. Whew, that was lucky. Where did that dynamo go?
Oh god, where I am at. He rickrolled me. Kidding me.
Ah,
He rickrolled me with the dynamo roller.
But
Nice.
okay, he was jump camping you, so that doesn't really count as much.
Yeah, that's true.
alright. They got some hard missiles coming down their throat. They're all coming from above. They're
Let's
just
go.
dropping on. Hey, lead. Let's go. I just got a triple sleigh with tinted missiles. Let's go.
Oh, behind. I got him. Let's go.
Let's go. The triple sleigh with missiles. Oh my gosh.
Dude,
Missiles
pushing with
are so-
hammer on this map.
Everybody's sitting next to each other.
No. Pushing with hammer on this map.
That would the hammer would be good. Hammer.
No. It worked. That's what I had Rainmaker behind xSnom's hammer. Perfect. Made a perfect path for me to follow behind.
That was fantastic.
Are we gonna get 2,000? Hold on.
Hold
We
up.
gotta win. Give
Please.
us plus 69.
Yeah, please. That would be epic. That'd be totally epic. Alright. Pretty good all around. Come on. Hey! We broke.
Let's go.
So, lots of fun tonight. Glad we got to do a 4-man league. And, yeah, thanks, Dom, for joining us. And that was a pleasure to play with you. Hopefully you'll join us later in the stream. And, we'll keep going. But for YouTube, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow on Twitch. And join the Discord. Lots of fun stuff going on there. See you in a future video. Rock 2000, signing off.